guys! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a happy Easter. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my two favorite DIY cleaning products. The first one is a DIY multi-surface spray. You will need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, a few drops of dish soap, and essential oil is optional. Combine your water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Add your dish soap and essential oil. Essential oil is optional, but I love the nice smell that it gives to the cleaner. Then, screw on your lid, and you're ready to clean. The second recipe is DIY carpet deodorizer. For this DIY, you will need an empty Parmesan cheese container, baking soda, and again, essential oil is optional. Put about half of your container of baking soda into the Parmesan cheese container. Try not to spill it all over the surface that you are mixing it on. Then add a few drops of essential oil. Again, this is optional, but I love how it makes your carpet smell. If you sprinkle some of this on your carpet, let it sit for a few minutes, and then vacuum it up. It will leave your carpet smelling so nice and fresh. I hope that you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. I post one video every Sunday afternoon. And be sure to leave a comment because I would love to hear what you guys would like to see me make next. I will see you next week. Bye!